Hello, paparazzi consultants. I am going to talk to you a little bit about what to do once you've ordered your starter kit. So you order your starter kit, and there's a lot of things that you can do to take off your business between the time that you order and the time that your kit actually comes in. So one important thing that I want you guys to know and to remember in order to be successful is that nobody makes money off of people they already know. Like, nobody makes real money off people they already know. So the goal here is that you're going to reach out to new people, and the quicker you work on developing new relationships and booking parties is the quicker you will start to bring in that income. You'll start to move your inventory and climb the ranks. So to start, you want to make a list of people that you do know and have a goal to have at least 3 to 5 people over to open your box with you. We'll just ignore that. That can help boost you, motivate you, get you excited, because when you have your friends there with you and they buy almost everything that's in your box and then say, yeah, I'll host a party with you, that helps get the ground running. You also want to set up your Facebook VIP groups. I do a VIP group. You can also do a business page. VIP groups for me are a little bit more personal, but everybody does it a little bit differently. You will probably want to go live on your personal page and in your VIP group. So find a schedule that works well for you. So that's next what you're going to do. You're going to talk about or write down people that you know that you want to show the jewelry to and which ones will be able to come to your house. You can have like a running list of 100 people and then have a short list of people who are going to come to your house. This list will keep you busy. You focus on this list. You can always go to this list when you're like, I'm not making money. What do I do? You go back to this list. So then next what was the next thing? Parties, Facebook parties, live videos. Oh, next is you need to come up with your schedule. What times a day work best for your family? Because if you are just trying to force in paparazzi, trying to force in live videos, trying to force in making money, and the rest of your family is not really on board, and you're getting torn in many directions, you're not getting laundry done, not getting dinner done, you're going to start to fall apart and you won't last very long. So in order to build success for yourself, you want to have a schedule of what works best for you, and then share it with your husband, with your significant other. Can I have your help during these times with the kids? And I plan on going live on this day, this day, and this day, and I plan on just talking to people on this day and this day and this day. That's going to help keep you accountable as well, because we are our own boss, which means if we do not keep ourselves in line, our business will fail and we will not achieve our dreams and our goals. Another thing you want to do is write down why you joined Paparazzi, why, and 3 goals that you have for the month. So that's 2 separate things. Sorry if I am overlapping those, but they're very important. So if you have a Paparazzi notebook or the planner that you got in your kit, write down in those why you joined, like what are your hopes and dreams? Like if the sky was the limit, money was not a limitation at all. What are some things that you want for yourself, for your family? Do you want financial freedom? Do you want to pay off that medical bill? Do you want to pay off those student loans? Do you want to buy yourself a house? And then 3 goals for the month. So 3 goals that you can, that are realistic, that aren't going to overwhelm yourself, and can push you to get going right away, instead of just having the kit sit on a shelf for a couple weeks and then your excitement is gone and then you tell your sponsors and upline, I'm not selling anything and I don't know how. Okay, so we want to get you going immediately while you're still excited, right? And then you'll get more excitement as things go well. So another important thing. So the one thing I said I wanted you to remember is that nobody makes big money only selling to people they know. You have to meet new people, okay? And 2 is there's a very simple system to MLMs, to Paparazzi, and what is it? Invite, accessorize, become. Is that what it is? So it's a very simple process. A simple process that a lot of people get stuck right when it comes down to hosting a party. There's a lot of anxiety in there. You got to learn how to like act like you know what you're doing, even though you might not. But the only way you are going to move forward in your business, you could probably sell a couple pieces from your kit here and there with people that you know and people at work. But the only way you're going to move forward in your business, climb the ranks, bring in that legitimate income that could possibly in the future retire your husband, is by meeting new people. So that's the first one. So as you meet those new people, hey,
we're gonna be late.
We're not gonna be late. I will be up there in 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Took the sewing cookie dough sheet to clean up a bowl of water, to clean up water off the floor.
No, Daddy has it. Go.
No, Kyan got a post.
Okay, so the way you're going to climb the ranks is by hosting parties. So yes, you have a customer come, they bought a couple necklaces. Awesome, thank you so much. I'm glad you enjoyed it. And then they come back again. You can do it the first time right. Honestly, I just ask as soon as I know that they love the jewelry, okay? Would you be interested in hosting a jewelry party? It's so easy and so fun to earn free jewelry. And they're like, sure. And then you have your planner ready on what days, remember the schedule that you need to have your planner ready on what days work best for you, and then have them circled really big. We are not running late. Go.
Yes, we are.
Go look at the time and tell me what it is.
Okay. But I don't
It's,
have the time.
it's on the stove. Okay, so you're gonna circle on your planner what days work best for you, and you can be like, so do you want to do, because I do Tuesdays and Thursdays, or I do Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursday, Fridays. So I'm like, does Tuesday the 22nd work for you, or Thursday the 24th? And you write them in right there, okay? So then you're going to try and fill up your calendar with hostesses and hosted parties. Those hold you accountable of making sure that you do your best work for your hostess, because when your hostess loves how her party goes, loves how much free jewelry she had, loves how much fun her and her friends had, she is going to be on the fence about joining. And as soon as you hop off that video and get done with her party, you're going to message her and be like, girlfriend, you need to sign up. And that is how simple it is. They love the jewelry. Someone loves the jewelry because it's sparkly and pretty. And then we invite their friends to love it and enjoy it as well. And then they're like, well, I want to make some extra money around the holidays. Let's do this. And you are now a sponsor. Okay? I hope this helped you guys. I apologize. My kids are not always super cooperative. I do have 4 kids. My name is Monica Reeves with Make Life Beautiful. We are team Shine Bright Like a Diamond, and I am so grateful to have you, or have you in the future. Please let me know if you have any questions. My number is 573-808-5149. Love you, ladies. Bye.